checking out this morning, Ethan.
Yep.
And we're headed to where? Yellowstone. Nice hotel. If you're in the Cody area, stay here. Best Western Premium.
This is the way the sun's hitting it, yeah.
This is the backside of that dam. We're about 30 minutes from Yellowstone. Well, probably 25 minutes from Yellowstone, coming in on the east side. And not real big crowds, so maybe we'll see when we get there. It's gonna be nice. Beautiful.
When we get there, we'll, what is this called?
Yellowstone?
No, monsters.
Oh, a bison?
No,
Yeah, buffalo.
buffalo, we got cars.
You're gonna lick our car, maybe.
Yeah, tape a baby.
I got it. I'm taping it.
You also get
Do you believe it? Can you believe it? Brady, don't climb on that. Here, I'll get one of you guys. Hey, look here. Lincoln, look here. How you doing? Look here, guys.
Lincoln.
Is that Artist Point? That's one of the big waterfalls, I think. Just kidding, it's by the side of the road. It's kind of chilly today. We're pumped.
No, it should just be in the back.
Oh yeah, Mom, move the black.
Yellowstone.
Look back. Mom, am I allowed to eat breakfast a little few hours early?
A little chilly, about 41 degrees. Wanted to pull off here. We had Speedy Gonzalez. He's trying to win a record behind us. Beautiful.
Come on. Somebody's calling everyone. I don't have no phone. Let's go. Okay, that's good.
We're just playing in the snow.
Okay, turn around.
What?
Wave to it. Thank you, that's good. Oh, okay, guys, come on.
Come on, bud.
Brady.
That's Brady through that.
I know. Brady, come on.
Come on, guys.
Don't fall.
Come on, let's go back. It's amazing.
We've got a lot more to see, bud.
Come on, Lincoln.
I'm trying to make the snow angel.
No, you can't do that. You got shorts on. Whoa! Whoa! Nobody coming.
No!
No, we can't. It's okay, bud. No. First bison sighting. He's far away. I know there'll be. The gentleman we talked to yesterday said you'll see thousands of them. Bison! Yeah, that's like a. Look at that bus. I mean, I like the bison. Proceed the route. I'll proceed your route. Oh, I can see where I'm below. Wow, that's so cool.
Wait, is that real?
Yeah.
Proceed to the route.
Hello, bison!
Don't wake him up. Shh, don't wake him up. He's awake. He's chewing.
Just being real still because his brain's going.
You better be careful up here, buddy. You're right outside this hill.
What if he like raises his head and just starts charging?
I saw one charge somebody the other day.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They tried to pet it or something, and he grabbed it and threw it across the creek.
Hey!
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a huge lake. Oh, it's not as big as lake here. It's big lake, but not really big lake. Wow. That's cool.
Hey, you two come get me.
Is that you shouldn't take a picture every time you see a bison because then your pictures will all be filled up because you see a lot.
It's too cold out.
Bison!
Off the bison.
Oh, bison!
Come on, Bison.
Boy, he needs somebody to sew his coat. Bison!
Bison.
Here's something that you should never do to a beaver.
They look like specks on my video.
That kid's coming out of both sides of the road. We're gonna walk over top some lakes. We gotta. Oh, yeah, they said it smells like
Sort of like
It's like sulfur or something.
All right, Lincoln had to go to the bathroom. We assume this is like the old style outhouse pit style. Got the big stink smokestack in the back.
Lincoln's sitting on this igloo thing.
Well, he made it. I guess he's going. This is a new experience for Lincoln.
Let's.
There's the gas. What's the gas say?
They probably got like a smoky stuffed animal. $25.
Can't see.
That's
cool,
Ernest.
Doesn't say.
That's Ernest.
Something kind of like
It's
cars.
what?
Auto repairs.
So like it's down.
I'm just making a joke because I said it was and it wasn't. Me not notice these things. Look at that path up there.
What?
Go up that hill.
Why am I going?
It's muddy.
Daddy, unicorn?
I don't know what lake that is. Check them out. Lake Wimmacunnick. We had to let.
There we go. Sit down.
That's where they landed, wasn't it? From the falls. What? Look at all that.
I'm so glad we went shopping yesterday.
Right, this is the Dragon's Mouth mud volcano area. Almost to Hayden Valley, I think is what we're on. We're now in the Grand Loop. It smells horrid. Walk up here a little ways. It's pretty cool. Seen some bison. Have not seen any bear yet. And I hope we don't see any bear. Hold up. Some kind of animal just ran underneath this bridge. To me, it looked like a skunk.
That's kind of like two foot bow.
Look at that.
I mean,
Cool.
bow.
It could have been that.
Bow.
Yeah, it smells about like sulfur.
Bow why did it stuck?
Fall in. Don't fall. Oh my God. Don't fall. You're gonna fall.
Pretty cool, Ethan. Yeah, it is. I love this place, and we're just really just getting into it.
Daddy,
It's not a big fall, but you can still get hurt.
It's pretty cool. See that mud volcano back there? But I didn't see a sign of how hot it is. I'm sure it's very hot, but
we don't know that.
trying to keep our eyes open for any kind of wildlife, bear. I told Brady, I said, you don't have to outrun the bear. You just have to outrun the slowest person, which is the case a lot of times. This is the Dragon's Mouth Spring right here. Look at this. Are you getting the hot tub?
Yeah.
You're at one of the largest volcanoes in the world. The volcano has erupted at least 3 times in Yellowstone.
Is this a volcano?
Yeah.
Volcanic activity.
Cool. What if it erupted
Very
like
much
right now?
alive below
So, of
ground.
First, then we'd probably like.
Ground is moving from the hill in front of you.
Yeah, it takes your breath, it stinks.
Are thousands of
They don't let you throw stuff
hot,
down.
gross, hot springs and geysers. All right.
How am I supposed to watch that?
Spot that's supposed to have a lot of animals, but I see one. Hey, who says you don't see wildlife? Did you see that thing? So you can hear the waterfall. This is Artist Point on the Grand Loop. Over here, Brady. It's the Grand Canyon of... Wow, this is high. Don't tell me.
That was not smooth. There you go. I don't have my phone, so I can't take
I got it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that bird. What kind of bird is that?
Oh.
It's a black-tailed hawk. I just made some up. Crow. Caw-caw. Oh my goodness. That's a different one, ain't it? Oh, that's the north. That's by the North Loop.
Oh. It's a different loop.
Yeah, that'll be what we do next.
Ah.
It's pretty cool.
I did the work. Why didn't do that?
There you go.
This one's gonna be a lot harder for me. Cause this one.
There he is.
I wonder if I could swim.
Going to the upper falls, the brink of the upper falls. We were just on the other side, and we're like, look at it, it's so close. So still keeping our eyes peeled for some wildlife. We can take the crows, I think. A lot of bison. Not worried about them as much. Now there's a lower spot, I think. Hey, Brady. Look, that's where we were at just a second ago. But we want to go down a little farther by the falls. You gotta be very cautious.
Wait till I
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
All right.
See a picture.
Ready? Look here. Look 'em. 3, 2, look.
I don't know if I can do it.
What?
I don't know if I can.
Hey, Mom, look at this. That's originally where we were at. Just now we were right there. It's amazing. And we're the only ones down here, look. We're the only ones down here. Wow. This would be considered the North Rim. Yeah, go ahead. The North Rim. What is it? This would be considered the North Rim. Here, let me get one. Hold on, Brady, ready? Look.
It's so cool. Do what you were doing.
What is that? I love it. You just like Brady? A trail. I didn't think we'd be doing any trails today, but there's a lot of people. It's about a 5 to 10 minute walk down. So plenty of people. I like that. So it's supposed to go down to the lower falls. Tell us where we're at.
We've been asking 2 people how's the walk.
Yeah, we have. We're almost there now, buddy. Should we have done this trail? I don't know. Going back up is going to be a pain. We made it to the bottom of this trail. Look at that waterfall. Hey, E-Man, we thought that dam was high. The last waterfall was high. Look at this. Hey, Gary, look over there. Staircase. That's the staircase I was talking about.
From the bottom?
No, I think it just goes up lower level.
Ethan, you're in it too.
We can get in it too. No.
It's a beautiful falls, but if you're fat or obese like me, and you're leading a 3-year-old, what do you think? You like being carried up a giant hill? What do you think? Would you do it again if you came back?
I do the walk down. I just hope they institute an elevator, but
Yeah. Doubt it.
Hi,
Smile, Linka. Show your teeth.